Can't hurt us!
No.
We've got bulletproof glass! Ah!
Get Bob's discount on furniture, on lamps, on chairs, on mattresses,
On rugs, too.
Get Bob's discount.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WCBS-TV. We are serving the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, tune to a station that provides information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency.
Dear my fellow Americans, I am speaking on behalf of President Joe Biden, as he is currently being moved to a remote location. The United States of America is under attack with nuclear weapons from multiple countries. Approximately 500 missiles tipped with nuclear warheads were launched from China, North Korea, Iran, and Russia. These missiles are expected to hit every major city in the United States, with the outlying territories, western and central areas of the United States being targeted harder. All citizens are advised to evacuate every city with a population over 250,000 people. If you are within 25 miles of any major city, it may be too late to evacuate. Bring necessities, like food, water, clothing, and medical supplies. If you cannot evacuate, seek a fallout shelter immediately. The United States military has already begun counterattacks against the missiles and the attacking countries. Tune to 121.5 on a battery-powered radio, as all radio and television stations will be ceasing transmissions indefinitely. Before I sign off, I wish everybody luck. I am praying for all of you. I am so sorry it had to have ever come to this. Do not leave your shelter until advised to do so. Once again, approximately 500.
There's a penalty!
Nobby, we get the football! You're gonna drown!
I'm getting out after he's taken penalty!
Listen to me!
That's it!
Take a breath!
Ali!